Likewise. This looks incredible.
Hold the line, don't let it get away. It's too strong, watch out.
All right, easy back now. Clear on the left.
Confirmed. Keep it steady. Watching the gate.
Easy now.
Slowly, nice and easy. Keep her moving to the left.
Easy now, keep coming. Watch the edge, slowly now. Good boy.
Keep moving slowly. Steady now. All right, easy does it.
Okay, team, we have a stable reading. Vets, the subject's weight is 2,362 kilograms.
Heart rate is steady at 55 BPM.
Temperature is slightly elevated, 37.8 Celsius.
Keep monitoring the respiration.
The hide condition is excellent. Record the skin fold thickness at the shoulder.
Got it. Confirming the measurement now. The inflammation markers are down significantly.
Yes, they are. The white count is normalizing too. I'll make a note to continue the current treatment plan.
Easy now, big guy. Just a little longer.
Vitals look good, doctor.
Easy now, big fella. Step right in.
The pressure looks consistent across all 4 lines.
Rhythmic pulsation is optimal. We are cleared for automated transfer.
Flow rate seems stable at 300 liters per hour.
Good. Check the temperature on junction 4 again.
The sensor on the left seems accurate. We are reaching 80 degrees.
Yes, the gradient is perfect. I will record the data now.
The flow seems a bit high. Check the readout.
Data confirms the adjustment. It's stabilizing now.
Look at the texture of those curds. Perfect consistency. The yield should be excellent this batch.
The temperature here is slightly high.
I see it. Adjusting the steam flow now.
The consistency is perfect.
And the levels are holding steady. We are good to go.
Check the alignment on this batch.
Looks good. Moving to the printer.